Ready to transform your Photoshop game? Let's unlock the ability to effortlessly reposition elements within your designs. The Move tool is your trusty companion. Find it in the toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a cross with arrows. Click the tool to choose it. Layers are crucial. In the Layers panel, click on the specific layer of the object you want to adjust. Make sure that layer is selected so you won't move the wrong thing. With the Move tool set, simply click, hold, and drag your object to its new location. It's like magic, isn't it? For precise arrangements, the Align and Distribute tools come in handy. First, select multiple layers. Hold the Ctrl or Command key while selecting the layers, then head to the top toolbar to align those layers perfectly. Use the arrow keys for fine-tuning. Each press shifts your element a single pixel, while hold Shift for a 10-pixel jump. Small movements can have a big impact. Now go forth and experiment. You can now change place or arrange elements and create stunning designs.